On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I, Shayandeep, welcome you all. Today I will talk about a very interesting new age innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives ZIIEI. The name of this particular zero investment idea is OATH, under the case study Community Participation. Now this case study has been developed by the innovative teachers of the state of Assam. Before I go into the implementation of this particular idea, let's talk about why this idea is so important. First, the impact areas of these ideas. This idea greatly enhances the daily attendance of the children in school. It improves the girls' child education and also the overall holistic development of a child. Now let's talk about what is the key innovation behind this particular idea. This particular idea motivates the parents of the children to participate in their school activities and to make sure that the children attend school on a daily basis. Now let's talk about how this idea is implemented. At first, the teacher drafts a particular oath where he writes, I take the responsibility to send my child to school on a daily basis. Or it can also be written, I will take care that my child wears neat and clean uniform on a daily basis. Or it can be written that I will make sure my child does his education well at home. Now the draft is written and then it is presented in front of the parents so that they can take an oath. Now this oath taking is done in two ways. The teacher either visits the parents at the child's home or this is conducted at the parents teacher meeting. Now when the parents take the oath and they make their signature under this draft, it highly motivates them to participate in their children's education and to make sure that they fulfill whatever is written in that particular oath. Now let's talk about the benefit of this particular idea. This idea highly increases the parents' participation in their child's education. At the same time, it improves the girls' child education and the support that they get from their home. Also, it improves the child-parent relationship as far as education is concerned. I hope you like this particular idea and you will surely implement this in your respective classrooms. If you want to watch more of such videos, please subscribe to our ZIIEI YouTube channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you so much.